بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Why? What if I told you your dua is being answered, just not how you think? You raise your hands, you ask Allah sincerely. Days pass, weeks pass, and it feels like nothing happened. You start wondering, is Allah even listening to me? But here's something powerful. Allah never ignores a dua. Never. Sometimes we rush. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. A person says, I made dua, but it was not answered. So they give up. But dua is not instant. It is connection. Sometimes it's the heart. We ask Allah, but our hearts are distracted. Dua is not just words. It is sincerity. It is presence. It is feeling. And sometimes our actions affect our dua. What we earn, what we consume, how we live, all of it matters. Because purity opens doors, and sin can block them. But here is something beautiful. Sometimes Allah delays your dua, not to ignore you, but to protect you, or to give you something better at the right time. You asked for one thing, but Allah sees everything, what you want and what you don't see. So instead of giving you what you asked, He gives you what you need. So maybe your dua is not being rejected. Maybe it is being prepared. Maybe it is being protected. Maybe it is being answered differently. So never stop making dua, even if you don't see results, because Allah is listening, even now. Reflect on this today and trust Allah's timing. Follow Deen Bridge for reminders that bring you closer to Allah